Okay, so next up, Vehicular Philanthropy for Crown. In this, we need to repair and refuel 3 vehicles at the Vondel police station and repair and refuel 1 boat in Vondel. This mission is super easy to do, and I'll show you how now. For the police station, just look for the marked police station on the map here, all the way over in G5. What we need to do is navigate across here, and this is where we'll be refueling vehicles at the Vondel police station. There's a refuel point just outside. Obviously, you'll need to take different vehicles to get there. I don't think you can use the same vehicle. You might be able to get away with it though, but I'd recommend just bringing other vehicles in case. I wouldn't try and rely on just one. If you have multiple friends, it'd be great if you could all drive there and get it done in one go. Okay, so I've grabbed myself a vehicle here. All we'll do is navigate to the police station. Obviously, the less fuel that you have when you pull up, the longer you'll have to wait for at least one of these to be ticked off. And I'm quite sure you'll need more than just a pinch of fuel in order to actually get it to count. You'll need a not substantial amount, but at least something out of your vehicle in order to consider it refueled. So I've driven past it here, but that's fine. Hopefully it'll get some AI off our tail. Right, so pulling up here, there is a little bit of reinforcements here. Shouldn't be too much of an issue. These are all level 2 guards, so just be somewhat prepared. It shouldn't be too crazy difficult, but considering what we came in with, that was pretty good. So getting back into the vehicle just while it finishes off, as soon as you get shot it will reset. There we go, we've now finished off 1 of the 3 refuels. Let's go ahead and test if we can use the same vehicle. I think I'll do a quick lap of the police station here, just to see if it does work. Goodbye vehicle, they went for a swim. Let's see if heading around this big triangle here is enough to reset it. In fact, I don't think this will be enough, but anyways. Taking it all the way back, we're now about a quarter of the way down, or rather an eighth of the way down the fuel gauge. Let's see if that is enough. I highly doubt, but yep, it didn't count. Alright, so let's just go ahead and grab a different vehicle, why not? There's 3 of them nearby. For you them, goodbye. Now I think those AI may have been fighting a different player as they seem to be shooting at seemingly nothing, but anyways, hopefully that's not going to be an issue that comes back to bite us. And now we should have refueled it here, at least I hope. No, doesn't seem like it. Maybe I wasn't in the vehicle when it completed. Oh no, there we go. It definitely did count. Awesome. Now we need to go find another vehicle and bring it all the way back once more. So grabbing yet another vehicle, we'll head all the way back. This one's got a bit more fuel, so I don't know if it'll count completely. But anyways, pulling it in, let's see. It's been refueled and repaired. Awesome. All right, so we're back. Let's go ahead and grab a vehicle and pull it to the marine refuel station here. We will need a boat for this. A vehicle that happens to travel on water won't count. It needs to be a boat. So we've got a small trek in front of us. We'll quickly travel and get this boat and bring it all the way back. Right, so here's a boat, we'll grab it and quickly travel all the way back to the marine refuel station, though do note you'll usually be pretty well exposed if you happen to be driving around a boat, as there's not much cover compared to a car, for example. Some boats do give you more cover, but it's really just something you're going to have to risk. So we'll quickly pull in here and hope nobody smells us. And there we go, it's now being refueled, and now we've successfully completed Vehicular Philanthropy. So, thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot. Hopefully this video helped you, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.